You're scrolling used car listings in 2025. One car promises smooth, silent electric power. The other smells like petrol and childhood hope. But here's the real question. Which one leaves your wallet alive after 5 years? Your mechanic might love the petrol car more because he wants your money later. But the electric one? It barely talks to mechanics. It just asks for electrons and leaves. Today we're doing a real battle. Not brands flexing, not influencer fairy tales, just real numbers, real costs, real pain avoidance. And yes, this video might save you from financial trauma. On the electric corner, imagine a used Tesla Model 3 2021-2022 model, price around $23,000 to $28,000, around 30,000 to 50,000 miles on the clock. It's popular, available, and doesn't require selling a kidney. On the petrol corner, a used Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic from 2019 to 2021, price around $18,000 to $24,000, similar mileage. Safe, common sense, financially parent approved. Both practical, both affordable, but ownership cost is where the drama starts. Fuel versus electricity, the daily bleed. Let's talk energy. An average mature human drives about 15,000 miles a year. You commute, maybe groceries, maybe just existential driving after work. The petrol car, at 30 miles per gallon, needs 500 gallons of fuel a year. With 2025 fuel price averaging around $4 per gallon, that's $2,000 a year. Over 5 years, $10,000 on fuel. The exhaust fumes are free though. The EV, charging at home mainly, uses roughly 4,000 to 4,500 kilowatt hours a year. Electricity price at 13 cents per kilowatt hour? That's only $520 a year. Over 5 years, $2,600 total. That means before we even open the hood, the petrol car burned almost $7,400 more than the electric one just to move its feelings around the world. Maintenance, the mechanic's love story. The moment you own a used petrol car, your mechanic starts seeing you like a subscription. Typical yearly service items for ICE cars in 2025. Oil and filter changes, $120 to $180 twice per year. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, $200 every 2 years. Belts, plugs, fuel filters slowly dying, $400 to $900 over 5 years. Normal brake replacement, $300 to $700 every 3 years. Total average yearly maintenance asked, $900 to $1,600, depending on luck, usage, and how dramatic your car is. The EV? No oil drama, no transmission overthinking. Regen braking reduces brake wear by like 50 to 70%. Battery cooling system barely needs attention. Main costs are tires and air filters. Yearly EV maintenance asked? $150 to $350. Over 5 years, $750 to $1,750. That means an ICE car can easily cost $6,000 more in maintenance than a used EV over the same timeline. Your mechanic cries in German luxury for sure. Depreciation, losing value versus losing sleep. Okay, yes, batteries degrade. It's not immortal, but here's the twist people miss. Most Model 3 batteries still hold 85 to 92% capacity after 3 to 4 years if not abused, which means you still get 230 to 260 miles per charge even when used. And many used EVs still come with remaining battery warranty. 8 years, 100K miles usually. So failure risk gets emotionally transferred to the manufacturer, not your wallet. But if your charging source is only public fast charging, your electricity bill rises to $900 to $1,500 a year, nearly petrol levels again. So, EV savings require home charging access. If you don't have it, the petrol car laughs louder. 5-year total cost snapshot. Used ICE car. Fuel, $10,000. Maintenance, $4,500 to $8,000. Repair surprise party, maybe happens. Brake replacements, happens. 5-year total without insurance, $14,500 to $18,000 minimum. Used EV, charging, home, $2,600. Maintenance, $750 to $1,750. Brake wear, minimal. Battery risk, the manufacturer takes it mostly. 5-year total without insurance, $3,350 to $4,350 minimum. That means in ideal, mature adult usage, a used EV saves you roughly $11,000 to $14,000 over 5 years. Who should buy what? Used EV is smarter if you drive mostly city or daily commute, have home charging, don't enjoy visiting mechanics weekly, want predictable costs like silence more than exhaust screams. Used ICE is smarter if you travel long highway distances constantly, live somewhere chargers are rare, can do your own repairs cheap, want simpler resale market, love hearing engine noise like a personality trait. Both are affordable. One is just mentally and financially lighter to live with in 2025. If you want a car that moves but doesn't financially bully you later, used EV wins if you can charge from home. If not, the used petrol car still makes sense